Hi friends, this is Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vivek Mahendresh Classes. Last class we have discussed about introduction part of matrix 3.1. In this video we are going to solve exercise 3.1. So first question we have given as a matrix they have given, and for this they are asking find the order of the matrix. So what will be order? Order will be number of rows into number of column. So here how many rows are there? 3 rows and 4 column. So order will be 3 cross 4. So for first one answer will be 3 cross 4. Second one, the elements of this matrix. We know that number of elements is multiplication of number of rows into number of columns. So 3 into 4 will be 12. Third part, here they are asking A13. So what will be our A13? Element is placed at first row and third column. That will be first row and third column. That will be 19. So A13 will be 19. Similarly A21. A21 will be the element placed at second row first column. This will be 35. So 35 here. Next A33. A33 means the element placed at third row third column. So that will be minus 5. A24. A24 will be 12. And similarly A23. This will be 5 by 2. That's all. So what are the possible orders it can have? And what if it has? So first of all we will do for 24, then we will do for 13. Okay. So they are saying that number of elements are 24. So 24 should be what? Number of elements, we know that number of rows into number of column. So this 24, how can we factorize? That will be your order. So 24 we can write as 1 cross 24 also. These are the possible. Okay. Second thing, what can we write? 24 cross 1 also we can write. Okay. Next, what can we write? 2 cross 12, 2 cross 12 or 12 cross 2. All these will be 24. Next, if you take 3, so 3 cross 8. And next will be 8 cross 3. Reverse. Okay. Next, if you take 4, so 6 will be your answer. So 4 cross 6 and 6 cross 4 also you can write. Next, that's all I think so. 6, 7 we can't take, 8 already we have taken. Yes, this will be our answer. So how many, what are the possible orders? Possible orders are 1 cross 24, 24 cross 1, 2 cross 12, 12 cross 2, 3 cross 8, 8 cross 3, 4 cross 6 and 6 cross 4. Okay. So same thing we have to find for 13 elements. So if we know that 13 is a prime number, so only two possibilities will be there, either 1 cross 13 or 13 cross 1, because we can't factorize this 13. So these are the only two orders for 13, either 1 cross 13 or 13 cross 1. Next, third one, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? Same thing. So if a matrix has 18 elements, 18 means what? This 18 will factorize. First of all we will write as 1 cross 18. Next we can write 18 cross 1. Next what can we write? 2 cross 9, 9 cross 2. Okay. So 3 cross 6 and 6 cross 3. Next, that's all I think. So these are the orders for 18 elements: 1 cross 18, 18 cross 1, 2 cross 9, 9 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 and 6 cross 3. So same thing you have to write for 5 elements also. So 5 is also a prime number, so we can write 1 cross 5 and 5 cross 1, 5 cross 1. That's all. Fourth question, they are saying construct a 2 cross 2 matrix Aij whose elements are given. Yes, we can find. They are saying 2 cross 2, it means what should be the format of this matrix? This A matrix should be like this. This should be A11, A12, 2 columns and 2 rows also. A21 and A22. This will be the format of 2 cross 2 matrix. So first of all, we'll find all the elements and we'll substitute here. So what will be A11? A11 will be, you have to substitute in place of I also 1, in place of j also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 square will be 4, 4 by 2 will be 2. Similarly, A12 means what? 1 plus 2 will be 3, 3 square will be 9 by 2. Next, A21 will be how much? I value will be 2 and j value will be 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 square will be 9 by 2. Next, A22 means I and j both will be 2. So you have to write 2 plus 2, 4, square will be 16, divide by 2 will be 8. So what will be our A matrix in first case? A matrix will be equal to 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. 2 cross 2. So this will be our answer of first part. Second part will go. In second part they have given Aij equal to I by j. So what will be your A11? A11 will be 1 by 1 means 1. Same like this A12 will be what? 1 by 2. A13 will be what? Sorry, 13 is not there. 21. A21 will be what? 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2 only. Next A22 will be what? 2 by 2, 1. So what will be our A matrix in second case? It will be 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. This will be a 2 cross 2 matrix. Next, third case. Third case what they have given? They have given Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square by 2. Okay. So what will be your A11? I value will be 1, j also will be 1. So 1 plus 2 will be 3, 3 square will be 9, 9 by 2, 9 by 2. A12 means I value will be 1, j value will be 2. So 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. 1 plus 4 will be 5, 5 square will be 25 divided by 2. 25 divided by 2. Next, A21 means I value will be 2 and j will be 1. So we will substitute here. We will get 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square will be 16 divided by 2 will be 8. Next we will get A22. So A22 will be how much? 2 plus 4, 6. 6 square will be 36. Divided by 2 will be 18. This will be our answer. So what will be our A matrix in third case? It will be 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. This will be your 2 cross 2 matrix. All the three parts we have got. Next. Here they are asking, construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by this. Okay. Same thing. Here they have given one relation. Based on this we will find a 3 cross 4 matrix. 3 cross 4 means what? What will be format? Format should be 3 rows and 4 columns. So it will be A11, A12, A13 and A14. Okay. And this will be A21, A22, A23 and A24. Next will be A31, A32, A33 and A34. This will be format of our 3 cross 4 matrix. So we will find all the elements and we will substitute here. So what will be your A11? A11 will be in place of I also 1, in place of j also 1. So 3 into minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2. Modulus if you take, then 2 only will get. Divided by 2 will be 1. I will write here 1 by 2 modulus minus 3 plus 1. So this will be 2 by 2, it means 1. Next, A12. A12 will be 1 by 2 modulus. Here I value will be 1 and j will be 2. So minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2 will be how much? 1. Modulus will be 1. So 1 by 2. Next, A13. A13 will be 1 by 2 modulus minus 3 plus 3. So this will be 0. Next, A14. 1 by 2 modulus minus 3 plus 4. So this will be equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, we will find the other terms also. So other elements are A21. A21 will be, I value will be 2 and j will be 1. So 1 by 2 modulus minus 3 into 2 will be what? Minus 6 plus 1. So what will be your answer? 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Next, A22. What will be A22? 1 by 2 modulus I also will be 2 and j also will be 2. So minus 6 plus 2. So this will be how much? Minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. Modulus will be 4 by 2. It means 2. Similarly, you will get A23. So you will get 1 by 2 modulus minus 6 plus 3. So this will be 3 by 2. Next, A24 means 1 by 2 modulus minus 6 plus 4. So this will be minus 2, modulus will be 2 divided by 2. It means 1. A24 we got. Now we will get A31. A31 means what? I value will be 3 and j will be 1. So 1 by 2 modulus 3 into 3 will be minus 9. Minus 9 plus 1. So minus 9 plus 1 will be minus 8. Modulus will be 8 divided by 2. This will be 4. Next will be A32. So A32 will be 1 by 2 modulus minus 9 plus 2. So this will be 7 by 2. Next, A33. So this will be 1 by 2 modulus minus 9 plus 3. So this will be 6 by 2 means 3. A34. A34 will be what? 1 by 2 modulus minus 9 plus 4. So this will be minus 5 by 2. So minus modulus will be plus 5. So 5 by 2. So what will be our A matrix? A matrix will be 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Second row if you write, this will be 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2 and 1. Third row will be what? 4, 7 by 2 and 3 and 5 by 2. So this will be your 3 cross 4 matrix. Similarly, we can find for second of the second part. Here also we will find all the terms. So what will be your A11? In this, in place of I also 1 and j also 1. So 2 into 1 will be 2, minus 1 will be 1. Next, A12. A12 will be what? 2 minus 2 will be 0. Next, A13. A13 will be what? 2 minus 3, it will be minus 1. A14. A14 will be 2 minus 4, minus 2. Similarly, if you find A21, A21 will be what? 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1 will be 3. Next, A22. 4 minus 2 will be 2. A23. So 4 minus 3 will be 1. Next, A24. This will be 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Similarly, we will find out A31. 3 into 2 will be 6, minus 1 will be 5. So A32. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. A33. This will be 6 minus 3 will be 3. A34. This will be 2. So what will be our A matrix? A matrix will be, first row will be 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Second row will be 3, 2, 1, 0. Third row will be 5, 4, 3, 2. So this will be your 3 cross 4 matrix with required relation. Next, sixth. Find the value of xyz from the following questions. Okay. In first part they have given these two matrices are equal to each other. It means what? First of all you have to see the order. Order is same. It means corresponding elements you have to equate and you will get the answer. So what will be your y value? Y should be equal to 4. So y value will be 4 and z will be 3, z will be 3 and x value will be 1, x value will be 1, that's all. Same thing if you want to find in second case, this x plus y will be equal to 6, okay, and this xy should be equal to 8 and z plus 5 should be equal to 5. So from here what will be z value? Z will be 0. Z value we are getting 0. Now we will find x and y from these two equations 1 and 2. Okay. So from the first equation what can we write? Y value? Y will be equal to 6 minus x. We will substitute in second equation. So what you will get here? X into 6 minus x will be equal to 8. So what we will get? 6x minus x square will be 8. So this will be x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So if you want to solve this, we can solve. So this 8 we can write as 4/2. So this will be x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 4 and this will be 0. So if you take x common, x minus 4 minus 2 if you take common, so this was 8. So x minus 4 and this will be 0. So x will be either 4 or 2. So if x will be 4, so what will be your y value? Y will be 6 minus 4, it means 2. If x will be 2, then y will be 6 minus 2, it means 4. So these are the x, y, z values. Next, third part. For this third part they have given x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z should be equal to 9 and x plus z should be equal to 5 and y plus z should be equal to 7. These three equations they have given 2 and 3. Okay. So if you substitute this x plus z equal to 5 in equation number 1, we will get y value. So what you will get? Y plus 5 should be equal to 9. So what will be your y value? 9 minus 5, 4. Y value we are getting as 4. Same like this, if you substitute this y plus z value 7 in equation number 1, you will get x value. So what you will get? X plus 7 will be 9. So x value will be 2. X value we are getting 2. So we will find z value. We will substitute in equation number 2. So what will be your z value? X value is 2 plus z will be 5. So what will be your z value? 5 minus 2, 3. So we got x by z values. That's all. Seventh one. Find the value of A, B, C, D from this given relation. Okay. They are saying these two matrices are equal to each other. Order is same. It means corresponding elements also should be equal. So what you will get here? First, if you compare A11 with B11, you will get A minus B equal to minus 1. Okay. And again, if you compare A21 with B21, so what you will get? 2A minus B should be equal to 0. This is equation number 1 and 2. Same like this, 3 and 4 also we can write. 2A plus C will be equal to 5 and 3C plus D will be equal to 13. This will be equation number 3 and 4. So first of all what we will do, we will find A1 and 2 and we will find out AB, then we can find others. Okay. So from the equation number 2, from 2, what can we write? B value? B will be equal to 2A. So we will substitute there in equation number 1. So A minus 2A will be equal to minus 1. So this minus A will be equal to minus 1. It means A value will be 1. A value we are getting 1. Next, what will be B value from this? B will be equal to 1 into 2 will be 2. Now what we'll do? We'll substitute A value in equation number 3. We'll get C value. So 2 into 1 2 plus C will be equal to 5. So C value will be 3. Similarly D also we can find. We'll substitute C value. So 3 into 3 will be 9 plus D will be equal to 13. So D will be 13 minus 9 will be 4. So A, B, C, D value we are getting. A value is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. Next, 8.1. What they are saying? A equal to Aij M cross N is a square matrix. When it will be a square matrix? For the square matrix, number of rows and number of columns should be equal. It means M should be equal to N. C part will be your answer. Next, which of the given values of xy make the following pair of matrices equal? When these two will be equal, first of all order should be equal, order is equal. Then we will compare the corresponding elements for equality. So what you will get? You will get 3x plus 7 should be equal to 0. So what will be your x value? X will be minus 7 by 3. X value will be minus 7 by 3. Yes, 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So x will be what? Minus 7 by 3. X value will be minus 7. Okay, if you substitute this x value in this A22, so what you will get? You will get 2 minus 3 into minus 7 by 3. And this should come 4. So if you cancel out this one, so what we are getting? 2 minus plus 7 is equal to 4, which is not equal. It means what? This we can't say. Not possible to find, because this same value of x is not satisfying for second thing. So this will not be equal. It means D value will be a correct answer. Not possible to find. D. The number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 and 1. So entries should be 0 and 1, and we need to find number of all possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1. Okay, first of all, in 3 cross 3 matrix, how many elements should be there? 9 elements will be there. 9 elements will be there. Okay, so what will be the format? Format will be, here you will get something you have to fill here. These 9 places you have to fill by either 0 or 1. Okay, it means each place we can fill by 2 ways. For each place we can fill 2 ways, either 0 or 1. So how many ways we can fill? First place we can fill in 2 ways. Second place also 2 ways. So 2 into 2 into 2 up to 9 times. 9 times. So this will be number of all possible matrices. So how many will get? 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 is 512. So this will be the answer. D part.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to motivate me for making many more videos. Please write your views and suggestions in comment section of the video. Thank you once again.